This video explains how to change the interface language on LINX 9810 and 9830 printers. On the main screen, select Change Language. The printer displays the available interface languages. Scroll through the list to find the required language. Select the required language, and then tap Save Language. The printer applies the selection and returns to the main screen in the chosen language. To select another language, open Change Language again and repeat the same procedure.